We all know the power of entertainment. And when you have young people who are starting out, you really want to be a part of helping them get their vision on the screen and out to as many people as possible. They show up here with great stories to tell. We just want to match that with the technology.
Hi, my name is Ethan Chang. Coming from the islands of Hawaii, I carry who I am with me in the mainland, the continental US, where I want to represent the unrepresented. I'm a huge fan of the Sony FX3. I used that camera for my first documentary abroad. Having the Sony's dual native ISO and also their 35mm f1.4, no one really questions it.
Learning on the equipment that is being used in the industry is crucial. They wanted to hear from young filmmakers who are going to be using their cameras for the next 30 years. It just made sense for us to partner up.
Our students work in documentary, they work in short narrative. And I think it's really important to have a camera that performs in the environments that our students will be shooting in and allow their creativity to flourish.
I decided to shoot the documentary with Sony cameras, given how run and gun my style is, how light the cameras are. They're super fast to start up. If you're in bright conditions, they have the variable NDs.
A lot of this film, it's night exteriors and night interiors. And something that's been amazing about working with Sony cameras in the past has been their ability to work so well in low light.
I've been hearing a lot about the new Venice Rialto. Getting access to that, especially for low budget films, there's gonna be a lot of people who wanna be attached to this film because we have access to so much great gear.
I hope this documentary is just the start.
I hope to just continue sharing the platforms that I have for good. I can represent so many different cultures and uplift so many different communities.
Sony supports not only my professional work, but the way that I like to teach. It really is about the people and sharing certain values in the world that you want to put forward and tell stories about.